guys, this is Shewquet coming in with my review from Scentbird. This is a monthly subscription that you can get, so head over to Scentbird. It's a monthly subscription. You get perfume, different perfume each and every month, and each little canister is gonna last you a month. See, and that's the instructions. You twist it to open, and then if you need to replace it when your other one comes next month, you pull it out and you put the new one in. So yeah, so you can go to www.scentbird.com to get yourself a profile and join. It's $15 a month for Scentbird. It comes in this little velvety, comes in this thing right here. It's very velvety, feels really nice, has a drawstring. I've seen some folks bling theirs out, like Platinum D. She blinged hers out. It's looking really nice, and it looks like that. I have it in a lock position, so then I twist it. Twisting it opens it, and then you have the perfume. I have this perfume here. Smells awesome. Oh my god, my husband loves this perfume. It smells awesome. When I wore it to work, everybody kept asking me, oh my god, what do you have on? What do you have on? Well, it's gonna last you a month. See, this is how much I've used so far. I used it yesterday. But yeah, be sure to head over to scentbird.com if you are one that loves scents and you want to try different perfumes each month without breaking the bank, so you know which one you might want to buy in the future. Yeah, you ought to check them out. It took like 2 days for them to ship me this, so the shipping was very quick, very quick. So go over to scentbird.com and check them out. Everyone have a blessed day. Bye bye.